Today we are going to look at the properties of indices. Our previous lesson, we observed the laws of indices. Now let's look at the properties. So I'll say P1 is the index raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Which means that, example, you have 2 raised to the power 0 will give you 1. Now P2, the property 2. When you have two bases, let's say A and B, with exponent of n, it implies that A is multiplying n and then B also multiplying n. So an example, we have x, y, all raised to the power 2. That will have s squared y squared. Let's look at the third property as P3. If you have a index of a negative n, you have to make reciprocate of a over a raised to the power positive n. Which means if you have, let's say, 3 raised to the power negative 2, we will write it to have 1 over 3 raised to the power 2, which gives you 1 over 9. The opposite or the vice versa is a true statement. Now, if you have P raised to the power 4 is equal to A over B power n. It means the n is affecting both. So we have A raised to the power n over B raised to the power n. An example, if you have 1 over 3 raised to the power 2, it means you have 1 raised to the power 2 over 3 raised to the power 2, giving you 1 over 9. Then we have the last one of P exponent 5. If you have A over B exponent negative n, then what you do is that you reciprocate what is inside the fraction to make the index positive. So you have B over A exponent n. Dear learner, this is what I have for you for the properties. Please subscribe for the next lesson on how to solve questions using the properties and the laws of indices.